Welcome back to Gadgetify Hub. Let's check out some amazing gadgets. Have you ever seen a kitchen gadget and thought, why didn't I know about this sooner? In today's video, we're counting down 20 smart kitchen gadgets that can save time, reduce effort, and make everyday cooking much easier. Some are surprisingly affordable, while others bring professional-level convenience right into your home. Let's get started. A regular sponge can quickly become dirty, smelly, and full of bacteria. This silicone sponge solves that problem with its flexible, food-grade design that dries faster and lasts much longer. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and gentle enough for non-stick cookware, making everyday cleaning quicker and more hygienic. Making perfectly poached eggs doesn't have to be difficult anymore. Just crack your eggs into this microwave poacher, add a little water, and let the microwave do the rest. In just a few minutes, you'll have evenly cooked eggs with almost no cleanup, making busy mornings much easier. Cold lunches can be disappointing, especially during a busy workday. This electric lunchbox lets you heat your homemade meal almost anywhere. Simply plug it in before lunch, and you'll have warm food without needing a microwave. It's a great option for work, school, or travel. A cluttered drying rack can make even a clean kitchen look messy. This space-saving plate rack keeps dishes, bowls, and utensils neatly organized while allowing better airflow for faster drying. It's a simple upgrade that helps keep your countertop clean and organized. If you enjoy fresh coffee, Final Press is a gadget worth checking out. It lets you brew rich, smooth coffee in just a few minutes without needing a bulky machine. Its compact design is perfect for home, the office, or even travel, making it easy to enjoy a fresh cup wherever you are. Chopping vegetables by hand can take time and leave your countertop messy. The Ninja Express Chop makes the job much easier with powerful blades that quickly chop onions, herbs, nuts, and more in just seconds. It's a simple way to speed up meal prep without sacrificing consistency. So far, which gadget has impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, because the next few products are even more surprising. Standing over the stove just to keep stirring can get frustrating. Stir Max Plus automatically stirs your food while it cooks, helping prevent burning and giving you more freedom to prepare other ingredients. It's especially useful for sauces, soups, and creamy dishes. This fun little gadget makes stuffed bananas in just a few simple steps. It removes the center of the banana without peeling it, so you can fill it with peanut butter, chocolate, jam, or any filling you like. It's a creative snack that's especially popular with kids. Clean drinking water is something every home needs, and the Water Drop WD-A1 makes it more convenient than ever. It delivers filtered water quickly with a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly into today's kitchens. It's an easy upgrade for anyone who wants fresh water without constantly buying bottled drinks. Regular ice cubes often melt quickly and can even affect the taste of your drink. The Claris Clear Ice Maker creates crystal clear ice that lasts longer and looks much more premium. Whether you're serving guests or just enjoying a cold drink at home, it adds a professional touch to every glass. Coffee lovers will definitely appreciate this one. The Tua Milano Pro is a compact coffee machine that delivers rich, cafe-style coffee with very little effort. Its modern design looks great on any countertop, making it perfect for anyone who enjoys quality coffee without the hassle of complicated machines. Cooking meat to the perfect temperature can be difficult, but the Tyfer sous vide station makes it much easier. It keeps water at a precise temperature, allowing steaks, chicken, and seafood to cook evenly every time. The result is tender, juicy food with restaurant-quality consistency. Late-night feedings become much easier with the Baby Brezza. It automatically measures, mixes, and warms baby formula in just seconds, giving parents a perfectly prepared bottle. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, the Solo Stove Steelfire 30 can completely transform your backyard. Its smokeless design produces a cleaner fire while creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere. It's perfect for family gatherings, evening conversations, or simply enjoying a peaceful night outside. Cooking two different foods at the same time usually means waiting for one dish to finish first. The Midea Dual Air Fryer solves that with two independent baskets, letting you prepare separate meals at once. It's a great choice for busy families who want faster, healthier cooking. Making fresh dough by hand takes time and effort, but the Uni Halo Pro does the hard work for you. It mixes dough evenly with powerful performance, making it ideal for homemade pizza, bread, and pastries. If you enjoy baking, this gadget can make the entire process much easier. The Haier Chef at Home brings smart technology into your kitchen by helping you cook with greater precision. From guided recipes to intelligent cooking features, it takes much of the guesswork out of preparing meals. It's a great option for anyone who wants a smarter cooking experience. The iMaster Series 5 combines multiple kitchen functions into one stylish appliance. Its modern features help simplify everyday cooking while saving both time and counter space. It's designed for people who want convenience without filling their kitchen with several different machines. Imagine preparing a complete meal with almost no effort. The Litho cooking robot can mix, cook, stir, and follow recipes automatically, allowing you to spend less time in the kitchen while still enjoying freshly prepared food. It's one of the smartest cooking gadgets available today. Taking the top spot is the Rora countertop system. More than just a kitchen appliance, it's a complete smart cooking station designed to make food preparation faster, easier, and more organized. Its futuristic design and advanced features make it one of the most impressive kitchen innovations on this list. So, those were 20 amazing kitchen gadgets that can make cooking faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next collection of amazing Amazon gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.